Welcome back, loves. So today I did an eyelash extension tutorial. If you want to see how I achieve this look at home, just keep on watching. Okay, so I bought these eyelash extensions from my local beauty supply store. These are the Mermaid look in the medium length. I wish I had long, but oh well. And then you need a pair of tweezers, and I have the Ardell individual lash glue that I bought from Amazon. So right now I'm just applying the lash glue on the back of my eyelash container. I just removed an eyelash from the container. And that's what it looks like. It's like a mermaid style. It's really cute once you get a full set on your eyelashes. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is dip the eyelash extension into the glue. And I try not to put too much on there, but I want to have enough to where it will stay. So now I'm applying the first eyelash extension, and I like to apply it towards the outer area so that I can get like that winged out look. And I just push it up to the position that I will, desire. So I just wanted to show you guys how you should kind of pull off the extensions so that you won't break them, because that has happened to me. Okay, so right now I'm adding the second eyelash extension, and I like to get, I don't want to get on the skin, but on the areas where I have hairs at. Once again, I'm just using my tweezers to position the eyelash extension, where I want to lay. And if you need to separate the hairs, you can do so. I'm just going to continue to repeat the process to my entire eye. I'm just going to do one eye on the camera, but for the most part, this whole process took about maybe about 45 minutes for me. I just like to take my time and make sure it looks good. So once again, I'm showing you how I remove an eyelash extension. And once again, I'm just applying the eyelash extension where I have hairs, not on my skin. Okay, for the most part, I feel like I've shown you guys how I do it, so I'm going to speed up the rest of the video applying the rest of the eyelash extensions. Okay, so for the last couple of steps, I like to look from the side and make sure I don't have any gaps. And if you do, you can just add in any areas that you need to add. And I like to push up the eyelashes to make sure everything is together and so forth. I feel like this will make it look smooth also when you're looking under, or if somebody's looking under your eyes and stuff. Okay, so these are the lovely results from my little eyelash tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned a lot from this video. So I'll catch you in my next video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course share this video.